Benefits of Anise Hyssop. Culinary uses. Anise Hyssop has a sweet and aromatic flavor with hints of licorice and mint. It is edible, and its leaves and flowers can be used as a culinary herb to flavor salads, teas, desserts, and various dishes. The dried leaves can be used to make herbal teas, providing a soothing and refreshing beverage. Medicinal properties. Anise Hyssop has a history of traditional medicinal use by Native American tribes. It is believed to have several health benefits, including its potential as a mild expectorant for respiratory conditions, a digestive aid to relieve indigestion, and a calming herb to help reduce stress and anxiety.